we are going to see exercise 2.4 10th sum first. A committee of 5 is to be formed out of 6 gents and 4 ladies. In how many ways this can be done when? First question, at least 2 ladies are included. Second question, at most 2 ladies are included. Solution. Total number of committee members. Total committee members. We want 5 members. Gents and ladies. There are gents 6, ladies 4. First question, at least 2 ladies. At least means 2, 3, 4, like that. 2 ladies, 3 ladies, 4 ladies. At least means 2, 3, 4. Here 2 means gents total 5. Then 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 4, 1. We use multiplication principle and adding principle, both principles. First is 6C3 total ways. 6C3 and 4C2 plus 6C2 and 4C3 plus 6C1 into 4C4. This is when we put the value of this, we get 6C3 is 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3, 1 into 2 into 3. This is 6C3. And 4C2, 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 plus 6C2, 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. 4C3 is equal to 4C, 4 minus 3, 1, 4C1. That is, we can write it 4C3 is 4C1, 4 plus 6C1, 6, 4C4, 4C, 4 minus 4, 0, that is 1. We get simplify this, 2 into 3 is 6, 5 here 2, multiply 3, 2, 5 into 4, we get 120 plus here 3 into 5 into 4, we get 60 plus and 6 into 5 and 60. That is 6 into 1 is 6. When we add this, we get 186 ways. This is the first question. And second question is at most 2 ladies. At most 2 ladies means 0. That is gents and ladies. There are 6 gents and 4 ladies. At most means 1 lady and 2 lady and 0 lady. At most 2. That is, here 5 total numbers is 5. 1, then gents is 4. Here 2 means Genesis 3. Here 0 is Genesis are 5. Then total number of ways. Is equal to 6C4 into 4C1 plus 6C3 into 4C2 plus 6C5 into 4C0. We get 6C4 is equal to 6C, 6 minus 4 is 2. Then we can write it 6C2, 4C1, 6C3, 4C2, 6C5 is equal to 6C, 6 minus 5 is 1, 6C1 into 4C0. We get 6C2 is 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. 4C1 is 4. Here is plus. 6C3 is 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3. 4C2 is 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 plus 6C1 is 6. 4C0 is 1. We get cancel this. 6 into 5 into 2 is 60. 2 into 3 6. 2. 5 into 4 into 2 into 3 is 120. And 1 into 6 is 6. We get the answer is 186 ways. This also answer is 160 ways. Exercise 2.4 9th sum. In how many ways can a cricket team of 11 players be chosen out of a batch of 15 players? First question. There is no restriction on the selection. There is no restriction. Second question is, a particular player is always chosen. Third question is, a particular player is never chosen. 3 questions are there. Then first question. There is no restriction. The total number of selection. The total number of selection. 15 players. We must choose 11 players. That is 15C11. It is equal to 15C. 15 minus 11 is 4. That's equal to 15 into 14 into 13 into 12. 4 numbers by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 4 into 3, 12. 7. When we multiply 15, 7 into 13, we get 1365 ways. Second question. A particular player is always chosen. One is less. Out of 15, a particular player is chosen. Therefore, second division, the total number of ways. A particular player is always chosen. From the 15 players, one is chosen. Then out of 14, we should choose 10 only. One is always chosen. Therefore, 14C10 is equal to 40C. 14 minus 10 is 4. We get 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, 3 into 4, 12, 7. 7 into 13 into 11, we get 1001 bees. Third question. A particular player is never chosen. That is, out of 15, one is never chosen. Therefore, 14 only. Therefore, now the total number of bees. One is never chosen. Therefore, out of 14, we must choose 11 players. That is 14 C. 14 minus 11 is 3. 14 into 13 into 12 by 1 into 2 into 3. 3 is 4. 2. 14 into 13 into 2, we get 364 ways. That's all.